Go. Hey guys, it's Aaliyah. And I got a new kitty. So my friend Mackenzie here is holding it right now. My slow dancing. Yeah. Its name is Cozy. And now the tango. Don't be mean to it. That's not the tango. I don't care. Fine, you do the tango with it. All right, this is Aaliyah doing the tango. The tango is. Do the tango. Shh. Shut up and do the tango. Do the tango. No, that's the wiggle, 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 wiggle. You know what I always wanted to do? Wiggle, 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 put it close up to the camera. Turn down the what? Put it close to the camera. Put it close to the camera. Ready? Shh. Dun, dun, dun. Nope. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. My turn. Don't be mean to it. All right. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn down the what? Turn down the what? Okay, now let it go potty. Go potty. I don't think it's gonna go potty. Yes, it is. It's sitting down. This is boring. Who cares? Just let it go potty. Peace! Do you want to go home? How do you like if I yell? Just scream as loud as I can. No. Great. Sorry. Can this trash can even move? It's not a trash can. Look it. Oh. What is that? For showers, they have it in every single house. Not my house. Yes, they do. Well, then I don't know where it is. Down in the laundry room, duh.